there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Welcome, family and friends, to Wim's Kitchen. An extra special welcome to my students, because today, guys, this meal is inspired by you and for you. I am so excited to share this pudding recipe with you. Now, for all my Gen X family, friends, and subscribers, we didn't have the privilege of going to the supermarkets to buy cakes and buns and puddings. We had to learn how to do this from our parents and grandparents. So guys, I have 3 pounds of potato. It's a red potato that I've washed, peeled, and diced and set aside in water so it does not oxidize. So in the blender, I am blending a medium coconut, guys. I will squeeze the juice from it, and I have 2 cups of coconut milk. And the coconut trash, people, we're going to put it aside because I will use it later on. Next, guys, I've blended the potato with about ½ cup of coconut milk, or just enough to turn your blades. That's all you will need, and put it aside. So the blending is all over, guys, and these are all the ingredients we're going to use for drop the potato pone pounder in fine style. So the ingredients are your blended potato, blended coconut, trash or the pulp. You have 2 cups of coconut milk, some vanilla, some mixed spice, good old Benjamin mixed spice with cinnamon, 2 cups of sugar, a cup of dried fruits and nuts. You can use raisins, whatever fruits and nuts you want to use. It's definitely up to you. I will be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, a whole nutmeg that I will grate, a cup, half and half of flour and cornmeal. So guys, we're going to combine this and show you how I get this wonderful potato pone. All right, so we're going to start with the dry ingredients. So I've sifted the flour and the cornmeal together. Then, guys, I'm going to grate the whole nutmeg. To that, I will add ½ a teaspoon of salt and mix this, guys, and put it aside. All right, so we're going to hop on over to our wet ingredients. So guys, I will add the sugar to the coconut milk, and you know by now that once we add solid to liquid, the volume increases. And so I will pour some in a cup and mix the sugar into the coconut milk until the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, you can pour back the coconut milk into the sugar mixture and stir to get an even consistency. I know you're anticipating this fine recipe, so why not go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give me some thumbs up, guys, and remember to follow me on Instagram at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. So now, guys, I will add the sugar mixture to the flour mixture, guys, and mix it thoroughly. Guys, a time for nice up the thing. I will add to that about 2 tablespoons of Benjamin mixed spice and about a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I will then add 3 tablespoons of butter, guys, and I'm just gonna mix this in. The butter will not dissolve because the mixture is not warm. So guys, it's time to add the blended potato, and I will add it gradually. I will pause to share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Psalms 107 verse 9. It says, "For he satisfieth the longing soul and filleth the hungry soul with goodness." So let's continue with the mixture. After combining all the blended potato, it's time to add in the coconut pulp, or what we call in Jamaica the coconut trash. Give your mixture a good old mix, guys, and then add to that half cup of blended fruits and nuts. I will spray my cupcake pan with non-stick spray and add to the mixture some floured raisin so that my raisin will not fall to the bottom. You may use any container with a sprout. I am using my measuring cup, and pour the batter into the cupcake holder and into a preheated oven at 375 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. While this is being baked, guys, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to a quarter cup of coconut milk and stir until dissolved. This is to add to the top of your coconut pone for a soft, delicious top. Spoon this onto individual cupcakes and place it back in the oven for 10 minutes and bake. After 10 minutes, guys, your potato pone is all done with a nice soft custard at the top. Allow this to cool for 15 minutes and then place it in the refrigerator to cool for 20 minutes. So there it is, family and friends, and to my wonderful students. It's another of my mother's favorite authentic Jamaican potato pudding or potato pone, prepared as individual cupcakes just for you. Before you go, guys, if you have not subscribed as yet, why not go ahead and do so right now? Press that subscribe button. Leave your comment in the section below and remember to turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. I have topped it off with some whipped cream, but this is optional. I sure hope you'd like the time you spent in the kitchen with me, where I did for you potato pone Jamaican style. Go ahead, guys, and share the love with your friends. Press that share button and encourage them to subscribe too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday, where Wim's Kitchen will bring you another authentic Jamaican cuisine.